trying to get my mind right, okay? Not too long ago, I had woke up. It's about 10-ish, and I was like waking up because I literally stayed up last night till like 3 in the morning, 4 in the morning, something, I don't know. And I just basically woke up late. And I just stayed in bed, didn't care to get up. I did get up early to take the dogs out, but that was it. That was all. I didn't feed them or nothing. I jumped right back in bed. I'm not gonna even lie. So what y'all hear in the background is my shower. I'm about to take a shower, and I pulled out my fit for the day. Well, yeah, because I am going to be first and foremost taking Audrey her paperwork up to her school because she needs it to graduate. So she's basically been getting her paperwork checked off, and she's been taking finals. So I'm happy with her because she just received an A on her couple of her finals, and I'm so proud of my baby. She's grown up too well. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting these clothes on. Afterwards, I'm gonna be working out today. I haven't went to the gym in a minute. I've been like, y'all, like telling myself to go to the gym. My brother was even like, sis, let's go to the gym. But man, I just feel like I had to get my mind right, get myself back together so I can get back to the gym. Okay, so I'm about to take a shower, then I'll see y'all when I'm done. I forgot to mention, I have a long week ahead of me. It's Tuesday, and this whole entire week, I just have a lot to do. Audrey got to prepare for her Disney trip, and the next day, I will be picking her up early in the morning from her trip, and then I have my graduation to go to. So the kids will be going to the graduation. All right, so turn on this air. I just went to 7-Eleven and I got me a green apple Gatorade. When I say these are bomb, they are so fire, y'all. They are so good. Like, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I am so thirsty right now. I had drunk a protein shake. Now I'm thirsty. These green apple Gatorades hit every freaking time, especially being super cold. So what I'm doing now, just basically about to drive to the gym.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did it to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going doing what I want.
Get some me time.
Just doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Just doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Just not doing what I want.
get some me time.
Just doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself.
I had just woke up and actually me and a couple of the kids was asleep, taking a little nap because, honey, after the gym, I was beat. It's so hot. When I tell you, I don't even know how many degrees it is outside, but it's hot and I'm just like over it. So I came in, took a nap. Audrey and Brianna took a nap with me. They took a nap too. And the other kids was upstairs and we were downstairs. But before that, before I took a nap, I was watching my show, All American. That's a good show, y'all. It's a real good show. But anyways, I decided to fold some clothes because, look at my hair sticking up. Decided to fold some clothes because I have been neglecting these clothes for a minute. I should make the kids fold their own clothes, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just get these clothes out the way or whatever, whatnot. I was actually looking at myself, like watching myself, and I've gained a lot of weight, okay? So before I moved down here, for those of you who don't know, I am in Vegas. And before I moved to Vegas, I was in my, I was like 120, like 120-ish. I can't say 120 because I was like 120-ish because, I don't know. It's just like once I started to, matter of fact, no, I was in a relationship. I had just got into a relationship in like January or February, something like that, of 2020. And I was skinny, y'all. When I say I was skinny, like I was skinny, okay? Like I weighed about 120. But then once I got into a relationship, it seemed like I started picking up on weight. And that was before I came down here. So I started picking up on weight, and I remember my mom saying, that's that happy weight. And I was happy until the little twist happened. Okay, we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna get into that. We'll get into that later because that's something I can talk about and I feel comfortable with talking about now with y'all. But anyways, once I moved down here in 2020, that was what, May, I got here in June. I left the 31st of May, got here in June. Yeah, June the 1st or 2nd, something like that. June the 1st or 2nd. I had moved up here, like I said, and then I started gaining weight. When I had weighed myself, I was 130. And I believe that's when I had went to the doctor and they weighed me and they was like, oh, you 130 pounds, da, da, da. I was like, damn, like I gained a lot of weight. So the last time I got weighed, I was at school. And I was like 154. I used to hate people calling me skinny, y'all. And it used to just irk my nerves to be called skinty. And my mom was like, honey, after you had kids and you gonna gain some weight. But I was just like, whatever. Like, it looked like I'm still gonna be the same forever. But then like now, I'm like, damn, I miss my little petiteness. But then again, at the same time, I like the, you know, having the curves and just, you know, gaining a little weight. But I don't want to be too overweight. I don't want to be too, like, I really want to gain weight, but not in certain areas. Y'all know what I'm saying. My little area right here. Oh my goodness, child, girl, when I say it ain't it for me. Because I'm used to a flatter stomach, you know. But I understand as we get older, we start gaining weight. And, you know, that's, I can't help it or whatever. But I know one thing, I know what I can help, right? I can get my ass in the gym and make something happen for myself. You know what I'm saying? And not sit around and just sit around. So yeah, that's basically what I'm on. I'm on a gym now. Even if I don't go to the gym, I most definitely gotta do it at home. You know, even if it's just working on my abs, working on that fupa little area, like I got to, y'all. This is basically, I think a couple days later or whatever, and I'm back. So me and Audrey has just got done coming from the Dollar Tree, and we also went to Five and Below and Michael's because I just want to see what they had in Five Below. And we also went to TJ Maxx also. So we went to a couple of places. And y'all, let me show y'all this purse that I got for Audrey. Looks like my phone is going dead. Purse for Audrey. Look at this, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Look at this cute purse. Ooh, ooh. Excuse my bed. I did not put any covers or sheets on my bed because they're getting washed. But look at that. Like, hold on. Hold on. Look at this. So I got this for her. And this is for her. This is her graduation present. Other stuff, I got some other stuff in here as well. But this is Audrey's. This is basically for, this is gonna be her graduation box where I put her purse in. I put all type of other gifts in her, in this bucket here. And I'm gonna decorate the outside. Probably have her sisters and brothers help me decorate it. Y'all, I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I'm gonna decorate the outside of this. And since this came with two, because this is like one of these are going onto my hat, my cap. So I have multiple in here. Look, I have about 2 or 3 in here. So I'm most definitely gonna put one on the outside of this. Look at that. Okay, so and then I'm gonna decorate it. She don't know. Well, she might have an idea, but I told her I got 2 projects to deal with. So then I'm probably like decorate the rim of the bucket with some of this. Decorate with this. Like some of the same things I'm gonna decorate my cap with. I'm gonna decorate her her bucket with, her graduation bucket with. So I got all this stuff, y'all. I might do a DIY with me. When I say I love DIYing, okay? I love to see people DIYing and stuff. And people be so creative these days. I love watching TikTok Instagram, Pinterest. Started to get my car washed. Yeah, look at that. So cute. The water was getting in here, y'all. So I feel like it was a lovely day to get my car washed, only for $5, which is not bad at all. I am so hot, y'all. So I'm about to now I'm about to basically clean out my car real quick. because it's a hot mess. I'm gonna clean this car out and I'll see y'all in a minute. Y'all, I got this brush. Look at that. That's so cute. I like the pink. I love it. It's giving Barbie. And I got the girls some braiding hair. So I'm about to get ready to do their hair. And I'm about to show you what I got myself. I got me some of the same hair I got Audrey, but I don't know if I want to do my hair like this. Then I end up getting these clip-ins. So we're gonna see y'all. Get to these kids' heads today. Right now, I gotta hurry up. I gotta do this ASAP because I still have stuff to do. I still have to decorate my cap. I still have to do something to my head. I was thinking about just keeping my hair short, but I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I kind of want something different. I don't know what's on my scarf. Okay, so I haven't been in here since I've done Audrey nails. And I don't know what's on that floor. It would, but I most definitely have to clean it up, y'all. About to do Anna's hair.
Hi, guys.
Hi. They said, what's up? All right, so we're about to get to it, y'all. Thank you. I'm just waiting on Brianna to bring my supplies down here. This is my little workstation area. And y'all, okay. So this is what my area looks like. I'm gonna get a sign to put up there. Up there. It's gonna say Dazzle Artistry.
Can you hold the camera? Can you hold the camera? Can you hold it correctly, ma'am, with your tiny fried arms? I mean hands. You got noodles as fingers. That's why you can't hold the camera a proper way. I'm gonna call you noodle fingers. How you know my name? I don't know you.
My sister.
Look at her. Where's her neck? Ugh. Loud, and the whole class stopped and heard. And so then I was like, that was Jasmine. And then I said, because then first it was the end of it.
Each graduate is special, and it is appropriate for us to give thanks. Today we are honored to have you all present to witness the accomplishments of each of these graduates. Graduates, today you have reached a momentous milestone in your lives, and I want you to know that your efforts are not unseen. Your grit does not go by unrecognized. Your struggles are not minimized, and your hard work will not go by unrewarded. Not only did you stay the course and stay determined, but you did it amid of all the hardships that you have faced. You began this journey with one step, and every day since then has been a step by step. As Vince Lombardi said, it's not whether you get knocked down, it's whether you get back up. Falling is part of life, but getting back up is living.
Zesta Folks.
Mommy.
Ludwig Leva.
Mommy.
Valedictorian.
That's you, yeah, we roll with it, right? We do roll with it. Good morning, I am Christina Alba, the Director of Career Services at United Education Institute at the Las Vegas campus. I am delighted to celebrate the graduating class of 2024.